Oh, it's a little cold because it rained at dawn. I collected rotten leaves submerged in the dew of the mountain. I observed rotten leaves under a microscope. At first glance, it appears lifeless. A rotting leaf, soaked in water, darkened by time, and partially eaten away. To the naked eye, it's just another decaying scrap on the forest floor. But when placed under a microscope, something extraordinary is revealed. This is not the end of life. In many ways, it is just the beginning. As the lens sharpens, we enter a hidden world, an ecosystem unfolding across the surface of a single mold-covered leaf. Threads of black mold stretch out like ghostly veins. These fungal hyphae are silently feeding on the soft tissues of the leaf, breaking down complex plant structures into simpler, usable forms. They are nature's decomposers, efficient, tireless, and absolutely essential. But the mold is only one part of the story. The moment we shift our focus, we begin to see motion. Countless bacteria far too small to be seen without magnification are swarming through the moist, decaying landscape. They glide between cells, cluster near veins, and form dense colonies that almost look like cities from above. These microorganisms are not passive observers. They are workers, digesting organic material, recycling nutrients, and making life possible for the generations to come. Some bacteria operate alone, while others function as a team, releasing chemical signals to communicate, divide labor, and respond to their environment. This is called quorum sensing, a microbial language based on molecules rather than words. In a matter of hours, these bacterial communities can shift strategies, build biofilms, or change behavior depending on the conditions around them. The leaf itself tells a story of transformation. Its cell walls, once rigid and orderly, are now softened,